Hi everyone, in front of me I've got POCO M4 and let me share with you how to set the gestures navigation on this device. So if you've got the 3-button navigation and if you want to have the gestures just like I have, simply enter the settings and here we have to find the home screen section. Now let's tap on system navigation, and as you can see here we've got two different options. Probably you've got the buttons. Before we'll set the gestures just by tapping on this option. As you can see, you can basically customize the buttons. If you decide that you want to leave this option turned on, you can mirror the buttons, so reorder the back button and the recents. You can decide whether you want to automatically disable navigation buttons, etc. So you can do it here, but let's switch to the gestures. So let's tap on this option. Your device will ask you if you want to go through the tutorial, so it's up to you. I don't want to do that. After tapping on it, immediately instead of the 3 buttons we will have this line. You can decide to hide it just by using this option, and you will have this kind of clean screen without any lines. Here you've got the gesture confirmation, and basically sometimes, for example, when you're watching a movie or playing games, you will have to double your gesture, like the back gesture, to confirm it actually. It's up to you if you want to use this option or not. Alright, and a quick tutorial of how to use the gestures. So if you want to get back to the previous page, just like using the back button, you have to swipe your finger from the side to the center of your device, just like that, until you'll see this arrow. And after releasing the finger, you will go back, the same situation from the right side. If you want to get back directly to the home page, simply swipe your finger from the bottom to the center of your device, and it should be a short and quick motion, just like that, and we've got the home page. And if you want to open the recents, just like by using this square icon or 3 bars icon, you have to swipe your finger from the bottom to the center again, but elongate this gesture like that, and after releasing the finger, you've got the recents. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.